Today, we are going to learn some common shortcut keys with your computer. Alt+D or CTRL+L. This key is used to move the cursor into the address bar. To perform this, you have to hold down the Control key and press the and or O increase and decrease the size of text. Ctrl+0 will reset the text. Alt+left arrow. This key function as help you to go back to your previous browser page. Alt+right key function as help you to go to the front page you have exit before. F5 with moon icon or CTRL+R, this function as helping you to reload in the web page fast or refresh. F11 key function as to make the internet browser in full screen. Press F11 key to return to the normal view screen. CTRL+B function as helping you to open your internet bookmarks fast. To perform this, press the Ctrl+B key. You will see all your bookmarks websites. Ctrl+F function as to fastly help you to find a word in the web page you are reading. To perform this, press Ctrl+F. Thank you very much for watching this education video. Remember, I made this video for education purpose. If you like this video and helpful to you, please share and subscribe to our channel to me making video like this. Thank you.